Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to connect Google Calendar with n8n. So this is going to be pretty easy. Now in one of our tutorial back there I taught you how you can use n8n for free, and now I'm going to be teaching you how to connect Google Calendar. So let's just say you started an automation from scratch and you created your first steps. Let's just say you add some trigger, and so if I search in here for calendar, you can see that we got our Google Calendar right away. So basically integrating Google Calendar in terms of, maybe if you want to create an event or delete an event, you can do anything from these options. So let's just say I want to create an event. I can add in here the details, the settings and everything, the parameters, and once it is adjusted it will be automatically be added on the basically automation page. So you can see it is now added in here. You can complete the adjustments, and yeah, so that is the key point. If you want to access n8n and get a discount, you can use the link in the description below and avail it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.